Now what you use is a scraper and you scrape off the whole varnish manually, mind you, manually. Have no machine here. This is a manual job. Take the scraper and scrape it out. Put it all the way out, You want to give the paint remover time to work. Time to work. The old finish, once it's soaking properly, you have to make it soaking properly, then and only then you'll be able to take it out, you know, without any hassle, without any problem. If you try to take it out before it's soaked, like when the spot like this, like that, and then raise it yet, you'll end up in a bit of difficulty. So, yeah, just remember, make sure that the paint remover penetrates the old finish and it's soft and it's easy to come out. Anytime you have to put too much effort in it for it to come out, you understand? That means it didn't penetrate deep enough. So you know, you have to make sure that it reaches like this. So when you push it, it must come out easy like that. You shouldn't get any problems to take it out. Or to scrape it out, you know, it must be soft. Make sure that it is soft. Alright, laddie. We're doing the front of the cabinet now. Right? Put it right on the back so we get the front. You have to get a steel brush to take out the carvings and the creases, the crevices. You get a steel brush to do that. As you go along with them, you organize that.